Hello, my name is Frank Svoboda. I was in prison for 14 months. I didn't break any laws. I was given 2 felonies for counterfeiting and forgery, copying something. I didn't use it to make any gain or profit, which is a crime. I won 5 cases, or 4, that I do not need a driver's license. I created a driver's license as an ID. Driver means motivator. License means freedom. On the back of it gave all the case law that stated from the Supreme Court I had a right to travel. On this, I had a non-elected Homeland Security emblem. And on the other side, I had Homeland Security selected emblem, logo. The law says under United States Code Title 17, Section 105, the United States cannot have a copyright. It's for everybody's use. 107 says, hey, you can use this at any time for educational purposes, which I did. The policemen need to be educated. All right, I won the case. The feds picked it up and violated my rights from there. For one thing, I won the case and the exclusionary law was rule was broken. They can't use anything from the stop, which anything they used was illegal. And everything I had was legal, and I did things according to law because I study law. All right. I was denied access to court, but I was not given any. I was not allowed to bring my own recorder to keep my own records. I was denied access to my transcripts, and it's been 5 years now, and still haven't got them. I brought in recorder pens, etc., which they found and broke. They say they didn't, but they did. My daughter was patted down, and she was only a little girl, by another lady, and it was sexually harassment. That's what it was. My daughter even felt that at her young age. All right. This video is saying that I'm not going to hurt myself or anyone else. I have accolades that are astounding. I had judges that actually lost their job because they protected me. And I've also gone to the VA courts. And finally, after 20 years, went to the VA court, and my court case lasted 2 minutes. They said, why are you in Ohio? They violated every veteran's right and every right you have. And I told them they won't let me out, and they don't. I was moving when they did this. All right. I had a judge in federal court named Boyko told me I could not write or speak in court when I was defending myself with assistance of counsel. They waited till I was hyperglycemic before arresting me. They walked in the house without a warrant. When my dog barked, I went to answer the door. They opened the door and reached in and pulled me out, which is a violation. They didn't have a warrant. They had an indictment, and I wasn't given a chance to defend in the grand jury. It's all fraud because I speak out for my rights and everyone else's. I've been threatened by police officers my life. I've been threatened by FBI. The policemen that have helped me, a black policeman named Sergeant Long, ended up going to a very bad district and having a heart attack and dying. I had another FBI agent that started helping me, and then he told me, his name was Don Penny, FBI Cleveland, Ohio from Wyoming, saying that he's not going to get involved in this because he doesn't want to lose his pension. All right, this is what's happening. In the 81st Congress Un-American Activity Committee, the National Lawyers Guild stated that they were a part of the communists in 1950. That's the 81st Congress. Look where we are today. It's a 52-page report. Please spread this around. There's only three people that are going to defend you. Nobody that's talking this stuff on the radio has any intention of defending you. God, yourself, and your family. That's who's going to defend you. And these people will kill all three of those people. These people are not completely upstairs. Again, I'm not going to hurt myself or others, and that's what this is all about. Spread the word.